Welcome back to Deep Drive, the channel where we break down the future of technology in simple, exciting ways. Today, let's talk about something that affects all of us, the future of work. You might have already noticed it, from AI writing code to robots making coffee. The workplace is changing fast. So, how exactly is technology shaping how we'll work tomorrow? Let's break it down. Small Blue Diamond 1. Remote work is here to stay thanks to tools like Zoom, Slack, and Notion, and powered by cloud computing. Millions of people now work from anywhere. What started during the pandemic has now become the new normal. Companies are hiring talent globally, saving office costs, and giving employees more freedom. And now, with AI scheduling assistants, virtual offices, and even VR meetings, remote work is becoming more immersive and efficient than ever. Small Blue Diamond 2. AI is automating repetitive tasks. We're not just talking about robots on assembly lines. Today, AI tools can draft emails, analyze data, sort through resumes, even write code. This doesn't mean jobs are disappearing, but the boring parts are. That means humans can focus more on creativity, strategy, and complex decision-making. Small Blue Diamond 3. New skills are in high demand with automation rising. Soft skills and tech literacy are becoming essential. Think critical thinking, emotional intelligence, adaptability, basic coding. Learning how to collaborate with AI, not compete with it, will be key. That's why platforms like Coursera, edX, and LinkedIn Learning are booming. Small Blue Diamond 4. Freelancing and the creator economy. More people are choosing freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or building content on YouTube and Substack. Tech makes it easier than ever to be your own boss. All you need is skills, Wi-Fi, and a bit of hustle. In fact, by 2030, freelancers could make up over 50% of the US workforce. Small Blue Diamond 5. Ethical and social impacts as tech reshapes work. We'll also need to think about fair access to tools, data privacy, digital burnout, job displacement. Governments, companies, and individuals all play a role in building a future that's fair and inclusive. Direct hit final thoughts. Technology is not replacing us, it's redefining us. The future of work is flexible, fast, and more connected than ever. But to thrive in it, we need to stay curious, keep learning, and adapt fast. If this video opened your eyes to the future of work, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Deep Drive for more content on how tech is shaping our world. Thanks for watching. And remember, the best way to predict the future is to build it.